Hi, Taylor T. Carlson, and it's video time again. You've probably seen me in several of my videos wearing these stylized pop culture shirts. I've got one of Mega Man on right now, but these shirts came from a really great website called onceuponat.net, and this site sells custom shirts with a wide variety of popular culture designs. I just ordered a batch of new shirts, and this just came in the mail, so we're going to unbox this. I ordered 4 shirts for myself, plus a mystery shirt at a discounted rate, and also one for my girlfriend as well. So let's go ahead and unbox what I got here. I'm really eager to see what the mystery shirt is I'm going to get. Okay, what do we have here first? And I believe this is the mystery shirt. It looks like Super Saiyan Goku and Gohan from Dragon Ball, so that's actually a damn good pick. I love Dragon Ball, and anytime I can get more Dragon Ball stuff, I'm a happy boy. Moving on down the list, this one was for my girlfriend. It's a Harry Potter shirt, but it's done in the style of the old Game Boy Pokemon games, so that's pretty hilarious right there. I think she'll be quite happy with that. Next up, we got this Power Ranger shirt. I actually ordered 2 Power Ranger shirts because the day before I recorded this video, I went and met Jason David Frank when he did his in-store. Unfortunately, the shirts didn't get here in time for that. I was going to wear one of these, but that's pretty cool right there. Got the Red Ranger in the foreground, and all the other Rangers around it, and then Goldar up at the top. So, pretty nice looking shirt. Then next up, of course, Daria, one of my favorite 90s, early 2000s sitcoms. Great spin-off of Beavis and Butthead, but a totally different show. And I'd love to see this one get revived sometime. Awesome looking shirt, and can't wait to try that one on. And then right here we've got The Last Supper, but with characters from Monty Python and the Holy Grail. I love Monty Python. Actually, about a year ago, I did a review for their remastered Blu-ray TV set, so I was long overdue for another Monty Python shirt, and I think this fits the bill nicely. And then last, but certainly not least, this was the one I was probably going to wear to meet Jason David Frank, but it just got here now, and this is his White Ranger helmet, along with, decor and Latin writing and the Saba sword right there, so that's pretty sweet looking. And then right here we just got the receipt and stuff. See if there's anything else in the bag. There's I guess this is just like an ad here. And oddly, there's a lifesaver in here. I'll probably be eating that as soon as I close out this video. Have you ordered anything from Once Upon a T yet? Is this a site that you like? Comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you haven't, you probably should check them out. Also, remember to subscribe to this channel because I'm always posting new videos. And give this one a like if you found it helpful or interesting. I'm Taylor T. Carlson. See you next time.